This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station K East C63 in Southfield. The station broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.55 MHz. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tuscolo County in southeastern Michigan, Sanilac County in southeastern Michigan, Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan, eastern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, western St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kingston to near Birmingham, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Michigan State Police. Oakland and Macomb County residents are requested to shelter in place until further notice. There is a situation ongoing in Oakland and Macomb counties with various residents of the counties disappearing after accepting knocks at their door from someone they do not know or someone they remember. At the time, it is not recommended to answer knocks at your door, even if it is someone you remember. Lock all doors and do not respond to any voices outside your door, no matter how desperate they may sound. Call the Michigan State Police Metro North Post at 248-584-5740 if you have knocks at your door. Michigan State Police is monitoring the situation and will update when new info is available. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has extended the flash flood warning for Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan, eastern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, western St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan, until 3:30 a.m. Tuesday. At 11:52 p.m., Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 to 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.